Hello, happy to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how you can get started with the Text Cortex Chrome extension. So whether you're struggling to improve your writing, the content of a blog post, an email, a particularly stressful assignment, rephrasing and rewriting is often a key to reach an impactful result. Finding the right words is challenging, especially when you read what you've written over and over and over again, and you're sitting there with crippling exhaustion, wondering why on earth it just doesn't sound right. And we know this feeling, to have inspiring ideas, but struggling to bring them to life. But fear not, TextCortex got you covered. Our Chrome extension was specifically created to assist you in the often annoying process of rephrasing and rewriting. Our AI companions are designed to, sit next to you, understand you and your writing needs, and actively present options on how to make your writing more authentic, assisting you in the original process and helping you in your creative work like never before. Whether, that blank page staring at you currently is supposed to become a document to be shared with colleagues and customers, a captivating email, the perfect paper to be delivered by an already closely approaching deadline, our purpose-driven AI technology got you covered. It will help you hypercharge your writing task and assists you from improving and adjusting your text up to fully co-creating with you. So let me talk you through the few steps you need to do, to get started with our Chrome extension. The first step, very easy, in the description and probably here in the video as well, we will link you the listing to our Chrome web store. Hit the link and the only thing you literally need to do is add to Chrome. Hit the button, this will install our Chrome extension on your browser. The second step is that it will ask you, a little window will pop up asking you, whether you want to give permission to our Chrome extension such that it can create and write something on a website. I mean, that's the core of our tool to help you create on a web page. So here you can simply hit add extension, and by now you have all the permissions granted and the installation is already done in a matter of literally 3 seconds. The third step is then an onboarding form. The first page of the form will ask you for a few questions about yourself. We ask them because, we want to satisfy your needs. And by telling us, we can also give you more directed education on how to use our tool. This also helps you ultimately to improve the product. When you're done filling it out, and by the way, it's optional, simply hit next. And through the next screen, you can directly test out our extension. It's a small, playful introduction. You will have a small GIF showing you what you can do, and then a text box where you can straight highlight the already existing text to rewrite it, or simply add something from yourself and, for example, write an email out of it or blog article. In the end, it's always the same 3 steps. Select the full sentence or paragraph, click the bubble, which then appears, and use one of the writing features to write an email, a long form post, or simply rewriting what you already have. The last step is where to go with so much power now. We prepared a small repertoire of platforms on, the last screen of the onboarding, but, you pick the platform where you want to create your content. In the end, simply hit the submit button to also send us your data about your onboarding, because that also helps us to improve. By the way, if you leave a rating or even just a feature suggestion at the end helps us as well. Currently, the Chrome extension is validated to work on more than 100 platforms, with more to come soon. And if you want to find a full exhaustive list, simply look in our help center. And yeah, the onboarding process is done. You're ready to take off. Check out the linked videos as well here on how to become a better writer, how to use our Chrome extension for rephrasing, how to create long form posts, and also emails. Thanks for joining this video. Thanks for staying up until the very end. Let us know, please write us an email, send it down into the comments what we can do to help you to educate yourself better, or how to create with our tools. Thanks a lot.